Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate and use keyboard Clipboard on Redmi 12R. And to do this, we'll need to open any app that allows us to pop open our keyboard just like that. In this case I'm using Google Search. Now you should see the Clipboard icon right here. Click on it and make sure to activate it. Now it's activated, now it's deactivated. Now we want to enter any text that we want to add to our clipboard. Hold your finger over the text and it should select the entire one. Click on copy. Now it just appeared in our clipboard. We can click on it to paste it. If you want to remove it, then click on this pen button, select the text that you want to remove and click on the bin icon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.